Good evening, everyone. You're welcome to Lawrence Academy. If you first time coming across my channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friends and family. So, I also appreciate those returning viewers that are coming back to watch my video and those that are supporting my channel with their likes and engagement. I really appreciate you. So, in this video, I'll be explaining how to create a UK and US TikTok account and how to avoid shadow ban and all necessary things to make your account standard. So all what you just need to do is just to watch this video very and understand the whole process. Don't skip any parts of this video so you can understand the full process. Now the first thing you are meant to do is first go and create your Gmail, because we need a Gmail to open your either your UK or US. So you need a new Gmail. You don't need number. You don't need number. Don't use a number. Don't use a number to open UK or your US TikTok account. Don't use a number. So that's only what you need. And you need a proxy. Yes, you need. If you want to open a UK TikTok account, you need a UK proxy. If you want to open a US TikTok account, you need a US proxy. Now the next stage we are moving to is this GoLogin. Know this GoLogin. I've made the video on how to set up this GoLogin. So you can go and check my last video on how you can set up this GoLogin. Configure your proxy with this thing, and just at the whole setup. You see I will drop the video and description of this video, or you go and check my last video. You see the how to set up. So if you haven't watched it down, go back and watch it. So you can set up this whole your profile. So you can set up your profile to start working. So after setting up your profile, the next thing you need to do is to open your workspace. Now when you open your workspace, the first thing I'm going to do is go and check your IP. Just come here and search ip8.com. ip8.com. When you search ip8.com, if you should follow this process I'm explaining to you, you create your TikTok or US account successfully. So you create your UK and US accounts successfully without any issue of maybe shadow ban or this thing. So can you see it's connected? Can you see it's connected to the country I want, the UK. So can you see it's connected? The next thing is you search TikTok. Make sure email is ready, active email. You don't need a what do you call it, a number. So you search TikTok. Just search TikTok. Sign up. TikTok sign up. So when you search, just click on it. So exercise picture, let everything load fully. Click on not now. Next thing you click on is click on allow all. So next you click on use phone or email. Just choose anything here. Make sure it's at least 18 plus. At least 18 plus. Next. So skip this part, move to email. So I'm inputting my email. This email I'll be using. So you click on next. So I'll be inputting my password now. So click on sign up. When you click on those, send the 6-digit code to your Gmail. So let's go and copy it. So let's go and copy it very fast. Oh, sorry. So let us input it. 910926. So let's wait for it. So I have to resend it now. So next thing you do, so you have to add your username. So add your username. So for this, you can just skip it for now. So let's check if our UK TikTok is. Just know that immediately you enter and you are seeing Nigerian video. Maybe the one that is not very just or any country you are from. Just take an option. Let's come to profile. Let's check it. Manage account. So can you see it? United Kingdom. Can you see it? So from here, the first one to let me see for proper warming up. You can warm up also 1 week, 5 to 6 days. Or let me say 4 to 5. Just make sure you warm it up. What I mean by warming it up is that if you want to create any um what do you call it, like the niche, like for that you want to be creating motivational videos, you want to create relationship podcast, you want to create all this kind of AI videos, you come and search it here in this search bar here. You search it here, then you start watching. You can use this GoLogin to warm it up also, but I'll show you the next step now. You can also use this one to warm it up. Come and start watching videos in that particular niche. Start watching maybe morning, afternoon, evening. It's not that you watch morning, afternoon. Just make sure you are warm it up, watching that niche. So as you are watching, you will notice something. All those videos you are watching, you start appearing your FYP. When these things the video start appearing, that means TikTok is understanding the kind of audience that you that the channel your video to, or the kind of audience you are interested in. So in that those audience you are interested in, that's the kind of audience they also direct uh your your videos to. So everything will the videos are going to go a very long way. So all you just need to just form it up, because proper when you know warm your account very well, when you know warm it up very well, you be having low views, you having 0 views. And when you want to post, don't post all your videos at once. Post at least 2 times a day, 3 times a day, 3 times a day is okay. Just morning, afternoon, and night, or morning and night is okay. It's okay. It's not compulsory. You must upload all the videos you want to do at once, at a go. This can cause low views, or they can shadow ban. And when you want to watch videos like a normal human watching video, not that you just watch, you put like, you follow. No, watch video when I'm supposed to put like, when I'm supposed to follow. When I'm supposed to comment, put your comment. It's not you just uh, enter a video, like, comment, follow, like, comment, follow. No, that is not a human behavior. That's a bot like behavior. So you watch videos like you real human being, not as if you want to warm it up by force. No, like real human. What you are supposed to put, follow it. What you are supposed to like it. So this you able to allow TikTok to understand you very very well. So the next step, after opening up your account, this we are going to be uploading. Go and download this app called Island. Where's Play Store? Just go to Play Store. And you go to Play Store, you search Island. You open it. When you open it, then you download, or if you have TikTok Lite, I advise you to be using TikTok Lite to upload. You can also use normal TikTok, any of your choice. But I recommend using TikTok Lite to for balance something, to avoid any kind of maybe unnecessary stuff. Because when I'm using TikTok Lite, it is consuming less data again, and everything will be balanced. Because that this normal TikTok usually cause some some things to happen. And make sure when you want to log in, make sure you turn all your setting. Now this one no go log in, you just use your normal phone setting. Make sure you change your time zone. Make sure you off your location, you delete your advertiser ID, and then block connections. What I mean by block connections is, for example now, when you come to your more connections, go to VPN. All those are things of you whether understand what I'm talking about. So you come to now, this your super proxy is different from your workspace proxy. So this super proxy, this one is for Island. When I say workspace, that one is just an extra workspace. So this super proxy for workspace, you click on this setting. Can you see my mind is always on, and I always block VPN and block connection, so I don't need to come here open it on. If it's on down, so all I just need to just go there and on my own proxy. So there's no me worrying about VPN off, proxy off. maybe they'll detect. No, they can never detect my IP. So everything, if the proxy off, say if the proxy you off accidentally, all connection will be lost. No connection at all will go. So there's no how they want to detect my this thing. So that's a bonus for you. So when you download the Island app, this is the workspace for the Island app. Make sure all what you are using is inside this workspace. Don't come and carry open super proxy here and enter this place and go and use it here. Forget, it's Nigeria IP that will be showing here. So make sure all what you are doing here, your super proxy is turned on inside this place. Are you following me? So for example now, this is usually do one. So the super proxy now, I'll just on it. Can you see that? I'll start it. I'll start it. Then I'll enter my editor account. So can you see it? So then from there you can start uploading. Do you know what necessary you are meant to do? So from here, there's nothing like maybe you upload low views. No, not like that. When you upload, you are going to just when you follow what I've said, you get views. Not like I upload, I got 0 views. No, as far as you have warm up your account very well, you watch those videos. Not that you're just watching random videos. Those videos are not necessary to you. Just scroll them past. The one that necessary to you, that's what you should engage most. So this one will make YouTube that these videos are what this guy wants. It's not that you're just watching random. No, no. Make sure you just focus on what you want to focus on what you want to start posting. So YouTube and TikTok will understand you very, very well. So and also uh if you are interested in my clipping course, this clipping course contains how you can start clipping for brand and start making money without even getting monetized on your social media audios. With this, it just matters only what just matters is only your views. So with your views, you can start uh um brands can start paying you without you even reaching requirement. Maybe like YouTube now, you need some certain requirement. With just your social media account, like this your UK TikTok or US Twitter account now, you can connect it to those. You can use to join campaigns and start making money. So all the blueprint, every single thing I've explained within the course. So you can go and check my bio to get it if you are interested in getting the course. So this is also a bonus to what you are also doing. So I hope you are enjoying my content and you are gaining a lot of things from what I'll be posting. So if you are gaining a lot of things, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share these videos to your friends and family. So if you have any question, my the link to my community and the link to my Telegram channel is in the comment section. Just go there and join my community. So can ask any question and follow up for more update. So bye for now.